This is Milo from Sensible Flats. I just saw the professor's post about the missing trillers. Well, I just saw one in my backyard!
You did? That's amazing! Okay, hang on one sec.
I guess I'd better get that. Slider?
Jackie? Hey, didn't expect to be talking to you. So check this out. There's a triller right here on Radopolis.
Tell me everything.
Whoa, look at all these comments coming in. I can log them.
Okay, so you're calling from where?
Can you repeat that, please?
6 more triller sightings? No way!
Have there really been triller sightings?
About 100 sticky notes of them.
Incredible! Great work, kids!